Let's talk today about categories in WordPress and how you can use them on your WordPress website. So the most common way to use them is on your blog page. So you can set it up generally on the right-hand side of the page to have categories for all of your blog posts. What this does is group your posts together by topic. So if I have a client who wants to learn more about email marketing, they go to the blog, click on the email marketing category. It brings up all the articles very quickly about email marketing so that they can read through and find exactly what they want. So it's a way to help your visitor get to the information very quickly and easily. Another purpose of categories is to put a particular group of information in a particular page or a particular spot on your website. For example, I have some categories set up here called portfolio. Anything that is categorized portfolio goes to the portfolio page of my website. Within that page, you again see the categories, and a visitor can click to see all of the website posts that I've put into the portfolio. So if they're considering your computer lady for some website work, this gives them the ability to go through real quickly and see what kind of work we do. So it really helps a visitor find the information that they're looking for really quickly and easily on your website. Now, how do you do categories? So from the admin side of your website, under Post, you have a categories listing. That is showing you the categories that you have set up now. You can add new categories here if you want to. So you can do this in advance, kind of think your process through and get yourself organized. Or you can do categories as you go with every post. So if you go into a post, and this would work with a new post or one that's already existing. I'm going to go into one that already exists. On the right-hand side of the post page, you have a category section. So once you have written your post, you can select the categories that you want that post to be connected to. It can be one category, it can be multiple categories. If you make the post and you realize that you need a new category, you can set it up from here. Click on Add Category, type in the name of that category, click Add Category again. WordPress will, by default, put the current post in that category. So it's helping you out by doing that. Be sure, once you have it correct, that you click Update to update that post. So don't get too carried away and make too many categories. Remember, this is big groups of things that a visitor to your website would be looking for. So it could be broken down by service type, it could be broken down by product type, or the big topics that you talk about in your posting. Keep it pretty simple. You're trying to help the visitor find information quickly. But it's really pretty simple to use them.